Students, today we are going to discuss again class 12th biology chapter 29 chemical coordination in human and today's topic is endocrine glands of human. So topic is endocrine glands of human. Students, it is a useful tumor-like structures to secrete a specific secretion like hormone. So the endocrine glands and hormone producing diffused tissue are located in different part of our body like first is hypothalamus, next is pituitary, and third is pineal body. Students, hypothalamus, pituitary and pineal body, these endocrine glands located nearby to brain. Next is thyroid gland, parathyroid gland located in throat part. Next, thymus gland located in near to heart and located in thoracic region, thoracic part. Next is adrenal gland located in above side of kidney. Next is pancreas located in, it is attached to duodenum part of alimentary canal. And next is gonads located in abdominal region. So first endocrine gland is hypothalamus. Students, mainly some specific point of each endocrine gland, like first origin, it means origin of germ layer. Next, color. Next, weight of endocrine gland. Next, location. Next, other name. Next, hormones name and function of hormone. Once again, first origin of endocrine gland, weight, color, location, other name, hormone and hormone function. First is origin. Hypothalamus, ectodermal in origin, it means originate in ectoderm germ star. or layer. Next is position or location of hypothalamus is basal part of diencephalon. It is a part of forebrain. Next is hypothalamus attached to pituitary gland by a stalk-like or stuck-like structure in fundibulum. Next is other name of hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. First is master of master gland. Students, master gland, it is a other name of pituitary gland, or it is also non-pituitary gland, because pituitary gland to control other endocrine glands, but hypothalamus to control, to regulate pituitary gland, so it is called master of master gland, because it controls or regulates to production, synthesis and hormone secretion. Second, another name is supreme commander. Once again, supreme commander of endocrine system. So students, first is master of master gland, second is supreme commander. They are another name of hypothalamus. First is master of master gland, because it control, regulate to production, synthesis and hormone secretion of pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is also a master gland, so it is master of master gland. Second is supreme commander of endocrine system. Next is hormones of hypothalamus. Hormones of hypothalamus. Hypothalamus produced by two types hormone. First is releasing hormone. Second is inhibiting hormones. First is RH. Second is IH. R it means releasing hormone. Releasing hormone. H it means hormone. R it means releasing. I it means inhibiting. H it means hormone. Inhibiting hormones. Second releasing hormones. Next releasing hormones mostly 7, but inhibiting hormones mostly 3. First releasing hormones is GHRH. G it means growth. H it means hormone. Releasing hormone. First inhibiting hormones is GHIH. It means growth hormones inhibiting hormone. Inhibiting hormones. Students, releasing it means to stimulate the secretion of hormones, to inhibit the secretion of hormone. First, GH stimulates the secretion of human growth. Next, to inhibit human growth. Second releasing hormone is MSH RH. It means melanocyte stimulating hormone. Releasing hormone. Next, second inhibiting hormone is MSH-IH. It means melanocyte stimulating hormones inhibiting hormone. Third is PRH. It means prolactin releasing hormones. Students, it is milk synthesis hormone. Third inhibiting is PRIH. It means prolactin releasing inhibitory hormones. Prolactin releasing inhibitory hormone. Only 3 inhibitory hormones of hypothalamus. First is GHIH, next MSHIH, and third is PRH. Next is CRH. It means corticotropin releasing hormones. Cortico, it means adrenal cortex part. Next is TRH. It means thyrotropin releasing hormone. Next releasing hormone is FSH-RH. F it means follicle. stimulating hormone. RH, it means releasing hormone. And last is LH, RH. L, it means luteinizing hormone, or RH, it means releasing hormones. So students, hypothalamus mostly releases two types hormone. First is RH, it means releasing hormones. Second is inhibitory hormones, it means IH. I, it means inhibiting. Next, S, it means hormones, releasing hormones to stimulate the other endocrine hormones. Inhibiting hormones, it means to inhibit other endocrine glands hormones, mostly pituitary gland. It means releasing hormones to stimulate pituitary gland for secretion, but inhibiting hormones to inhibit the pituitary gland hormones. Mostly releasing hormone is 7, GHRH, MSHRH, PRH. It is milk secretion. It is milk synthesis hormones. CRH, corticotropin releasing hormone. TRH, thyrotropic releasing hormone. FSH, students, we studied in gametogenesis chapter FSH and LH hormone. LH, it is ovulatory hormones. It is corpus luteum developing hormones. Next, it mature to Graafian follicles. Next, next is inhibitory hormones, mostly 3. First is GHIH, MSHIH, and PRIH. So students, first endocrine glands, hypothalamus, is completed. In next online class, we studied second important endocrine gland is pituitary gland. Students, pituitary, it is a P-shaped gland. Next, other name is master gland because it control to another endocrine glands. So thanks and have a nice day.